Dogecoin, Doge, generally is a mineable coin that for the most part is as of now exchanged at $0.062031 per unit, with the market capitalization of $8,759,443,620, that by and large makes it a mid-position digital money, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Computerized resources like Dogecoin generally have proactively turned into the point of convergence of consideration, not just for in every practical sense, retail financial backers and examiners. Yet in addition for sort of enormous institutional financial backers who for the most part see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a truly viable basically fence against expansion that takes an exceptionally weighty cost for the worldwide economy in a sort of huge manner. In this manner, having essentially a piece of the portfolio dedicated to crypto especially is essentially an unquestionable necessity for any dealer and financial backer who in every practical sense needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years in an unpretentious manner fundamentally. In any case, with it basically comes the need to intently follow the improvements on the expressed market to fathom what is going on and generally have some feeling representing things to come, which truly is very huge. This Dogecoin cost expectation model sort of was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, truly track down the actually the best coins or tokens to explicitly put resources into, and in a real sense keep the value bend developing, which especially is very huge. In any case, prior to diving into the overall Dogecoin examination and cost forecast, we might want to really help you to remember the truly fundamental principles of digital money exchanging and speculation. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its sort of current standings, as well as the mid-term and especially long-haul cost expectation that depends on the readings of our restrictive crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, or so they essentially thought. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin generally remains at $0.062031, and this in every practical sense, specific advanced resource stands firm on the ninth foothold in the worldwide digital money positioning, which is very huge. For actually your data, the kind of positioning of each and every digital money explicitly is vigorously dependent on its ongoing business sector capitalization and cost, and in every way that really matters is determined by duplicating these two factors. Something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most state-of-the-art data on the resource being referred to in an unobtrusive manner. Likewise, to especially get a basically better generally handle of the market circumstance and especially figure out the overall heading of the pattern, or to in a real sense register its non-appearance, it's additionally critical to basically examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, which basically is very huge. Yesterday, on September 28, the cost of Dogecoin in a real sense remained at $0.060501 at the end of the very day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 0.87% contrast when contrasted with the in every way that really matters current cost. 7 days prior, on September 22, the Dogecoin market in every practical sense remained at $0.061349 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in a sort of significant manner. As the outcome, the value sort of moved by 0% corresponding to its extremely present standing. A month prior, on August 29, Dogecoin really was evaluated at $0.066386, which generally matched with our cost expectation for that especially specific period in an unobtrusive manner. Contrasted with the very present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 6.65% cost move in an especially significant manner. At the point when it most certainly comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves basically more as a sign of the coin's offer or predominance in contrast with the remainder of the market. Alongside its truly generally speaking ubiquity with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. Numerous cryptographic money merchants view market capitalization as a genuinely key pointer to for the most part be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices, which by and large is very critical. It for the most part is determined by duplicating the kind of absolute number of coins that sort of are right now available for use, flowing inventory, by the genuinely current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by and by remains at $0.062031. Considering that equation, we explicitly have determined the kind of current market capitalization of Dogecoin to be at $8,759,443,620, which legitimizes its place as the ninth coin among those truly present on the digital money market, which truly is very critical. Yesterday, on September 28, the market capitalization of Dogecoin by and large remained at $8. Explicitly shows that Dogecoin had a market capitalization of $9,346,774,980 win in a truly significant manner. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that sort of have previously been mined, stamped, or generally made, and sort of are either circling available or secured in engineers or alternately holders kind of cool wallets, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The truly all-out supply likewise considers any coins that generally have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate, or so they generally thought. It can truly measure up to the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that truly is public on the financial exchange, or so they fundamentally thought. In every practical sense, all-out supply of Dogecoin right now truly remains at 141,209,966,384 Doge, showing how it generally is determined by duplicating the all-out number of coins that in a real sense are as of now available for use, circling supply, by the truly current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by and by remains at $0.062031 in a huge manner. As currently made sense of, the flowing stockpile certainly is the most generally involved kind of measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, which in a real sense is very huge. It compares with the best estimation of the especially by and large number of coins that truly are public on digital currency trades and in every practical sense add to their liquidity, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Their volume doesn't essentially incorporate the coins that most certainly are vested, marked in shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or explicitly put unavailable for general use in an unobtrusive manner. The flowing stock for the most part is fundamentally what could be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the securities exchange, which by and large is genuinely critical. At this moment, the coursing supply of Dogecoin is assessed at 141,209,966,384 Doge. Furthermore, the perusing of exchanging volume can assist one with especially deciding much better passage and leave focuses on the grounds that as per the standards of specialized examination, critical cost moves, pattern inversions, or solidifications frequently in a real sense happen at the cost levels that especially are joined by generally fundamentally high volume, since those in a real sense are the volumes where huge cash had generally come into in a real sense play in an especially significant manner. As per our information, the exchanging volume on the Dogecoin market sort of was as per the following. Over the very beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market for the most part added up to $138,265.09, which generally is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on September 28, in every way that really matters, normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting commonly added up to $153,850.326. So with it by and large comes the need to intently follow the improvements in the expressed market to understand in every practical sense current circumstance and have some feeling representing things to come in an especially huge